Hey guys, who's ready for some exercise? Good. Today we're going to do some easy ballet leg raises. First, find a rail or back of a chair to hold for balance. Shift your weight to your left leg and raise your right leg, pointing your toe as you go. These are great for working your core and quad muscles. Do 10 on one side, then spin around and do 10 on the other side. Next, we throw the side version in as well, because doing front only gets too difficult. Face the rail and lift to the side. Do 10, then switch legs. Rest when you need to. Simply keep going with both front and side on each leg until your 10 minutes is up. So that's it. 10 minutes and your exercise is done. Remember, grab a copy of the full program in the link below. I'm off to grab a coffee. See you next time.